Hello, and again we are back. I don't know with how many words, but normally 5 words रहते हैं हमारे पास और उसके synonyms, and if they have any antonyms, we have the antonyms. Whoops, win some coins. I practice hard to pronounce this word for you. So learn, help, and earn rewards, solve doubts, share insights, and earn iCoins for every meaningful contribution. Go to the app and get the details. The batches 27-28 and the एक बार पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. All right, let's be slow. पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. Sedition, बहुत very common word, न्यूज़पेपर में रोज आता है कहीं ना कहीं. Conduct or speech inciting people to rebel against the authority of a state or monarch. That is sedition. और ये तो ट्रम्प सर की जब when Trump lost that election तो उनके सपोर्टर्स थे, उन्होंने ये नाच दिखाया था जाके वहां पे. they went मतलब they literally charged into the government offices. All right, so that is sedition. Conduct or speech inciting people. Inciting means provoking them, भड़काना उनको, to rebel against the authority of a state or monarch. राजा के खिलाफ या फिर जो गवर्नमेंट है उसके खिलाफ. And synonyms will be sedition के synonyms agitation हो जाएगा. All right, provocation, incite word वहां पे यूज किया है. Inflaming, disobedience, insurgence, subversion and mutiny. All right, so please make a note of this. ये किसी reading comprehension passage में मैंने देखा था, subversion. All right, and rest I think provocation, agitation, everybody knows. Fine. So sedition, subversion. As I said, this man, his supporters barged into the government offices and destroyed all the property. Next, garnish. बड़े होटल्स में नाटक ज्यादा होते हैं कि 2 धनिया की पत्ती ऐसे लगा दी, 2 पुदीने की पत्ती ऐसे लगा दी, नींबू वहां रख दिया. दैट इज गार्निशिंग. मम्मी लौकी में ही करती है, धनिया ऊपर से डाल दिया, गार्निश हो गया उनका. दिस इज डेकोरेट और एम्बेलिश समथिंग, स्पेशली फूड. ये देखिए गार्निशिंग चल रहा है. दिस इज जस्ट अ पैकेट ऑफ लेस, दैट्स इट. उसके ऊपर उन्होंने को समझा दिया. Adorn, I believe everyone knows it. Dress, ornament, enhance, grace and beautify. तो इसमें से बेटा garnish का एक synonym adorn होता है. ठीक है, I know that you know it. Rest I think they are very very simple. Everybody knows them. थोड़ा लेवल बढ़ाना पड़ेगा क्या? Instigate, incite, भड़काना, provoke. We had this previously. Bring about or initiate an action or event. ये देखो, ये इंस्टिगेशन का एग्जाम्पल. इसको क्यों छेड़ रहे हो भाई? ये दिस इज द रिजल्ट. इंसाइट समवन टू डू समथिंग, स्पेशली समथिंग बैड. ठीक है भाई भाई भाई, भाई मारना मारना भाई, देखना देखना, बूम. दैट इज इंस्टिगेशन. कमेंस, इंसाइट, प्रोवोक, फोमेंट. आई थिंक यस, एक नया वर्ड यहां पे हमको शायद मिल रहा हो, एंड दैट इज फोमेंट. सो प्लीज मार्क दिस वन. कमेंस, incite, provoke, I think they are known to everyone. Inculcate. Schools must inculcate good habits in the children. Instill an idea, attitude or habit by persistent instruction. ये धरती मेरी माँ है सर, ये हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है. That is how this has been inculcated. That has been instilled. Implant, ingrain, infuse, imprint, induce. I think all these words are we have been introduced to all these words earlier in classes 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. तो इतना मुश्किल नहीं होना चाहिए आपके लिए. Next is despondent. I think hopeless, if I am not wrong. Yeah, in low spirits from loss of hope or courage. If you haven't seen this movie Dhadkan, please go and watch it. It is one of those movies na in which they translate every sentence. ऐसे बोला कि 25,000, 25,000, एवरी सिंगल लाइन. तुम बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो, यू आर लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटिफुल टुडे. हर चीज का ट्रांसलेशन करके चले हैं ये लोग. तो इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश दैट वे, धड़कन इज द मूवी टू वॉच. दिस मैन, ही लूजेस हिज लव बिकॉज ही इज वेरी पुअर, सो ही वर्क्स वेरी हार्ड. चलता था, रुकता था, फिर चलता था, ऐसे करके ही बिकम्स अ बिलियनेयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. कम्स बैक, द गर्ल इज ऑलरेडी मैरिड. फाइन. धड़कन, धड़कन, गो एंड वॉच इट. डिस्पॉन्डेंट. Disheartened, discouraged, dispirited, wretched, depressed, dejected. I think dejected एक common word है, it is commonly used. ठीक है बेटा, तो यहाँ भी I won't mark any word specially, सारे पता होंगे आपको. Despondent of course, yeah. So we have despondent जो कि hopeless हो रखा था. We have sedition जो कि any conduct or speech that incites action against the government or the monarch. Garnish, decorate. Instigate, incite, भड़काना, provoke. And inculcate, to instill something in a person. Okay. Usage. The leaders of the group have been arrested and charged with. The leaders of the group have been arrested and charged with. I think of the given verse, the only option is sedition. Charged with sedition. That is, you are going against the government, against the law, against the country. The fish with wedges of lemon. The fish with wedges of lemon. तो अभी मैं होता ना वो नींबू स्लाइसेस काट के सजा देते हैं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Garnish the fish. Garnish the fish with wedges of lemon. Next, because poor people often cannot afford things they need, poverty is a factor that is known to crime. All right. In fact, poverty क्या मतलब? Some super rich guy was caught snatching a chain from the morning walkers. तो पता चला भाई साहब मिलनेर के बेटे हैं, पापा ने आईफोन के लिए पैसा नहीं दिया था, तो उसकी पावर्टी मतलब सामने आ गई कि पापा मेरे को आईफोन नहीं खरीदने दे रहे 2 लाख का, तो मैं चेन स्नैचिंग करूंगा. क्या हो गया? It was because poor people often cannot afford things they need. Poverty is a factor that is known to instigate, provoke crime. All right, instigate crime. Next, the teacher in her students the importance of good study habits. तो टीचर ने क्या किया? The teacher inculcated, instilled in her students the importance of good study habits. The man on the talk show was about his son's death. So of course that is a sad thing. And the word that is left is despondent, dejected, hopeless. The man on the talk show was despondent about his son's death. And we're done. Chalte hain, chalo, bye bye. Batches 27, 28 again. Depends on your age. Bye, beta. Please revise, repeat, revise, repeat, revise, repeat. See you.